The 2025 Scania truck stands as a benchmark in the commercial vehicle sector, merging innovative technology with sustainable performance. Crafted for those who demand reliability and efficiency, this truck redefines what it means to be a heavy-duty vehicle in today's fast-paced logistics environment. In an era where environmental consciousness is paramount, the Scania truck embodies the shift towards sustainable transportation. Its commitment to reducing carbon emissions while maintaining high performance makes it a significant player in the evolution of modern trucking. Engineered for excellence, the 2025 Scania delivers remarkable power with a range of engine options that ensure optimal performance across various terrains. Its advanced aerodynamics and lightweight construction facilitate enhanced fuel efficiency, providing a competitive edge in both performance and operating costs. The truck boasts a robust chassis design and an intuitive driver assistance system that enhances safety and efficiency. With a maximum payload capacity and exceptional towing capabilities, it is equipped to handle the demands of the most rigorous transportation tasks. The interior of the 2025 Scania is a blend of comfort and functionality. Spacious seating, premium materials, and an ergonomic layout ensure that drivers experience minimal fatigue, even on long hauls. Ample storage solutions and advanced climate control contribute to an inviting atmosphere. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, the truck features a state-of-the-art infotainment system, connectivity options, and telematics that provide real-time data analytics, enhancing operational efficiency and driver safety. With a competitive pricing structure, the 2025 Scania truck offers excellent value for money. While the initial investment may be substantial, its low operating costs and durability promise significant savings over its life cycle. The 2025 Scania truck represents the pinnacle of modern engineering in the commercial vehicle market. It not only meets the demands of today's transportation industry, but also sets the stage for a sustainable future, making it an indispensable asset for any fleet.